Yo, what's up guys? For today video, I will make a box for our bird, because outside is some the weather is so hot right now, and I'm gonna make this, and I will transfer the bird here inside my room, and I will put it here inside the two birds. So let's go. We gotta take the two birds outside so that they can sleep properly here inside my room. So gonna find out where they are. So if you can see, they are sleeping here outside, so it's not good for them because the temperature here outside is a little bit hot. So I'm gonna take these two birds. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm gonna put them inside the box together with his brother. I'm gonna put inside, okay? I'm gonna put them inside so that cannot feel hot here outside. So if you can see, his brother's there. I'm gonna take this and we can put inside our room. So yeah, cats do. Ang hirap na mag-English. Pasok na natin sa loob. Mahirap mag-English, men. Kaya yun, pasok na kayo sa loob para lumamig na. Let's go. Pasok na natin siya sa loob. Dito, sa malamig. Enjoy. Enjoy, men. Dito na siya sa kwarto. Dito na siya. Halata na sa kwarto kasi may carpet na. So yan sila. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Bukas magla-live kami nito. Magla-live tayo sa YouTube bukas kasama ko mga to. Yun oh. Yan. Tulog na kayo dyan. See you in the next video. Bukas magla-live stream tayo kasama ng dalawa na to. Ang tropa natin. Let's go. Bye bye guys.